Ganon.
According to our geography, this is a beautiful country. Please like and subscribe for our talking. Dito bilang for information sa mga boyfriend girlfriend.
Oh my God!
Sa aming bayo, orkestra ay nagkagulo-gulo.
Icon!
Mga instrumento ay luma na ulang pangata ko. Ay kalawangin, pangako at pananangin. Rombon ay yuki-yuki na. Ito ang tingin, kahit ang mga barangay. Orkestra ay
Pati crew nila nag-enjoy, oh.
Isa kanilang koko na walang
Ay, Kuya Don, ang galing niya, di ba?
pinilit ang hayop na bumbo.
Ang galing niya.
Ako'y ang magbabaho. Ang driver ay aso. Butikit ang nagpipiano. Pusa ang organista. Manok ang gumigitara. Ang aming disco sa tugtog ng hayop na bumbo. Ang mga daga nagtsatsa ang mga palaka. Nagalit ang kamayong bakla. Alam mo na tumutula. Natapakan ang surot at itis. Papalit tapis. Ayos din ang aming disco. Sa tugtog ng hayop na bumbo. Ayos din
Takot ko siya, sis. Sorry, Chris. Try natin mamaya. Pamalik pa siya kakanta. Kumanta siya ng TikTok kanina. Oh, yan, yan.
Thank you.
Tama. Ada? Asa?
Actually guys, nagsisound check pa lang po kami. Pa-start lang po tayo. Siguro na guys. Hindi microphone ba gamitin ko? Ano yan?
Bakit nila lamunan ko? Tarzan.
Ano yan? Tarzan, ating katangian. Saan ang remote? Rotan. Ito mga nangyay. Pero ano yung remote?
Umuulan, umuulan.
Sige.
Ayan.
Magiging talaga? Sige. Chororo bang bang chororo bang bang ro, chỉ ăn bò chỉ chẳng chỉ bong bong cọ, đi bay bút chọc, chỉ đi bọc, chỉ đi con của chororo bong chơi chỉ đi con quay lá, chỉ đi mà chỉ chẳng chỉ con ăn một chỉ đi tùy quăng quăng chơi cho quăng quăng lối chỉ là bỏ chỉ chẳng chỉ đi con bóng chỉ trôi nhạt còn một chỉ chỗ đồ quăng chỗ đồ quăng cứ chỉ ăn ngon một chỉ chẳng chỉ đi con cờ chỉ này bút chọc chỉ cầu chỉ của chỗ đồ quăng chơi chỉ quay lá mama chỉ chẳng chỉ không muốn nào chỉ chỉ quăng quăng trôi đâu đâu quăng quăng rồi chỉ là một chỉ chẳng chỉ đi quăng quăng nào chỉ tôi chẳng cho một chỉ nhẹ một chỉ nhẹ bay nhẹ chỉ chỗ đó dùng mua được hỏi chỉ Hindi ko naiintindihan yun.
Kami din, hindi niya naiintindihan.
Oh, ano pa request? Ano pa si Charlotte? Naging sweet na lang din. Kakanta po sila? Ah, request ba?
Ano request?
There's only you.
Next pa sa bahay. Saan daw ito? Sa bahay ng ating promoter. Sa mansion niya. Makanets.
I want to share all my love with you. Lord, else will do.
MJ, pakishare ng bahay. MJ, pakishare ng bahay.
Every concert.
Your eyes, they tell me how much you care.
MJ, pakishare ng bahay.
You will always be my endless love. Two hearts to be as one.
You're welcome, Violi.
Just be gone.
Yes, Mary. Di natin pagkakait ang talents ng ating mga OPM artists from Jensen.
Hold it close in my arms. I can't resist your charm.
Yan si DJ and Charlotte. Small but terrible ang boses. Terrible.
I'll be a fool for you.
Pero iba pa rin po sa concert, sa live. Mapapa-amaze kayo. Pag nanood kayo ng concert. Live na live. Thank you, sis. Kailangan natin maging mabait para ma-bless lalo.
Hi, Carlo. Here's your idol. Sweet milk.
Why not, diba?
Alam namin ko
I know, di ba? Starstruck din ako, Carlo. Share it with
Oh, thank you, Violi.
Carlo, pakishare. Thank you. Okay, okay. Don't worry.
live nila. Proud to have them here in the US. May pa-bonus pa si Ira.
I know. They're so good. They're really, really good.
Yes, Joy Abalos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Ilalive talaga natin ang mga tayo.
More! We want more! Yeah! Wait!
More pala yun, more. Bonus pa si Ira.
I know. They're so good. They're really, really good.
Yes, Joy Abalos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Ilalive talaga natin ang mga tayo.
More! We want more! Yeah! Wait!
More pala yun, more.
Smoking cigarette is
Ayan.
bad for your health.
Excited sa
Wala na
Friday.
Wala na yata.
Friday. Ayan, naghahanap na. Don't cry. Ano yan?
Don't cry for me, Argentina. Ayan.
Don't
nandito po
cry.
kami.
Johnny, please don't cry ba yan?
Johnny is Papa.
Yun
Patikim
pa.
lang po to para sa kanilang concert.
Mga latest songs.
Pakishare mo na. Pakishare na live.
Bago yan ba?
Bago?
Bagong-bago ka.
Eddie Carlos, thank you for watching. Rinaldo de la Vega, thank you for watching. Umulan ng Dolores sa San Francisco. Natalunin daw nila ang Hawaii.
Johnny was the girl.
Wow!
Umulan ng dollar.
Umulan ng dollar.
I'm so lucky.
Johnny wrote
Diba? Dati pinapanood lang namin sila.
Rinaldo, thank you for watching.
she had to say.
Ayan po si BJ ng Sweet Notes. Siya po ang Notes. Ito si Sweet.
Siya po si Sweet. Siya si Notes. Wow, the voice.
Yes, the voice. Hello, B1, B2. Sis Mahal L. James, thank you for watching. Yes, okay lang, diba? Albert, Gina, thank you. See you in Texas, Albert. Excited na ba kayo dyan? Ate pa shoutout. Yes, I will. Watching from Las Vegas. Pa-request po yung If I Ever Fall in Love. Baka kakantay nila yan sa concert. Mary, but I will have a shoutout for you. Mary Joy Arabos Tamayo. Sige. Rinaldo.
Ang daming fans dito ah.
Golden Voice. You are watching free concert in San Francisco.
Oh my God.
You are you watching on Friday? ka-opisina, katrabaho, nanay, lola, tatay. Manood po kayo sa Oregon. Wow, daming love, love, love. Ang daming likes, likes, likes. That's the voice, golden voice. Ewan ko saan nagagaling yung boses nila.
I know, right?
Di ba? Oo. Oh. Walang filter ang boses.
Forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Gee, I married your best friend, John Leon. Thank you.
Sayang na sayang.
Sayang na sayang.
Thank you for watching.
Ay ala-ala Sabrina, araw na
Love, love, love.
inagdaan. Ngayon'y muli tayong nakita. Puso ko'y andong sigla at saya.
Sister.
Ngunit lagi ngayon lang nakita kung kailan tayong dalawa'y kapwa di na pwede pang magsama.
Ayun naman.
Rio, ayan na.
We're good.
Oh, ayan na si Rio.
Got a dream that can't be so. We were right to be
May papa, idilim ng bago.
I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna start to cry, but then remember that I said
I can
I can buy myself flowers.
Yan na, yan na, yan na. Yung Goyard, puno-puno ng dollar yan.
Hindi ka matayo.
Yeah, I can love me better than mine. You can, you love me better. You love me better, baby. You love me better. You love me better, baby.
Wala na.
No regret. I'll forget every word you say.
Ayan, kaya na. Kaya mo.
I can buy me some flowers. Write my name to say. Talk to myself for hours. Yeah, say that you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. Yeah, I can hold my hand. Yeah, help me better than you love me better. You love me better, baby. You love me better. You love me better, baby. You love me better. You love me better, baby. You love me better. Started to cry, but then remember. Let's go. I'm not so flowers. Got my name to say. Talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing. Yeah, and I can hold my hand. Yeah, I can love me better. Yeah, I can love
kiss me, somebody's had me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walked away. They can beg and
Yes,
they can
Ana Lara.
plead, but they
Magaling
can't
ka
see the light. 'Cause the boy with cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. Everybody now!
Yeah.
We are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Someone's wrong and someone's not, and that's all up to me. If they can raise my interest, then I have to let them
Feel
be.
happy.
Someone's trying, someone's high, but I don't let them play. Only a place to save their pennies makes my rainy day. Yes, we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a
Walang katulad ng
material world, and
boses.
I am a
Ang American
material
Got
girl.
Talent.
Come on! Living in a material. Thank you. Material. Boys may come and boys may go, and that's alright to say. Experience has made me rich, and now they're after me. 'Cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. I'm material, I'm material, I'm material, I'm material world. In a material, material. Let's go. Material. Living in a material world. 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 Keep on dancing. Let's go. Everybody. Sayawan na.
Sayawan na.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Dito na. Samama na kayo sa San Francisco. Alright, in the house. With the sweet note.
I've been working so hard. I'm punching my card. 8 hours for what? Oh, tell me what I got. I got this feeling.
Karaoke
that
time.
time's just holding me down.
Mini concert.
I'll hit the ceiling.
Hello, Prince. Halika
Or
na,
else I'll
Boss.
tear up this town. Hey!
San Francisco.
Tonight I gotta
Tara, Prince. Sama ka. We just started.
Please, Louise, pull me out from my knees. Jack, get back. Won't we crack? Lose your blues. Everybody got blues. You're playing so cool, obeying every rule. Dig way down in your heart. We'll burn in your name for some. Somebody trying to
Kate.
tell
Galing
you
sila.
that life
Pa
ain't
rin sa mga
passing
get
you
over.
by.
Separation anxiety na to.
I'm trying to
Sana
tell you it will if
Text
you
ko sa'yo.
don't even
Dublin, Dublin,
try.
3019
Tonight I gotta
West Sugar Hill Drive. Terrace Hill, Dublin.
Take a safety from me. Oh, my love, come on before we go. Lose your bruise. Everybody got to lose. Oh, got to. Oh, got. Oh, got.
Hello, sis.
Oh, you got to turn
Ka na.
me around.
Continue
Put your
ang
feet
concert.
on the ground. I'll take the whole
Yes, madam.
world.
Hello, madam C.
I'm gonna fool lose. Kick off the Sunday shoes. Please,
Yan po
Louise.
si Ira. Natural na lang po.
Jack, get back.
Yes, we'll see you here, Prince.
Before we cry. Lose, lose. Everybody got full lose. Kick off the Sunday shoes. Hurry, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back. Come on before we
Hi,
cry.
Rice in the house.
Blues, your blues. Everybody cut, everybody cut. Everybody cut, everybody cut. Everybody cut, everybody cut. Everybody cut for lose. Woo! Hey!
Yeah,
That is so
panat-
right. Come on, come on, come on.
Yes, Ed.
Sabay, sabay. You can dance, you can jump, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch them sing in the dancing queen. Riding out in lots of low, looking out for a place to go. Where to play live music, everything's if I could be that guy, now these young Eloises, with a bit of rock music, everything's fine. You're the roof for me.
Hello, Jerlyn. Oh. Tingnan mo naman yung boses. Oh. Kahit anong microphone ang hawakan, maganda talaga yung boses. Melly, see you in Amarillo. Dancing with tayo dyan. Jerlyn. Yes, darating ang dancing queen dancing sa Manila. Excited na, yes, yes. Early, excited na tayo lahat. Diba? They will rock Houston. They will rock Amarillo. Mga Golden Boys from Jensen is coming to Houston. Going to Amarillo. Buy your tickets now. Don't miss the show. Kahit anong genre ng song, kayang-kaya nilang kantahin. Oh, yan. Natural na natin.
You can dance, you can jump, been there. With my heart in my hand.
Wow!
But what you must understand, you can have the chance to love and last. You must tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper, tell the words so soft and sweet. I hope and love will be his heart. Will be the gift you give yourself.
Yan, magandang pwesto dito.
Mas maganda dito.
Touch him with the gentleness you feel inside. Your love can be the light, truth will set you free. You'll have a place to be. On time, you will see. In his eyes, reach out to him and whisper, tell the words so soft and sweet. I hope it blows the feeling heart. Love will be the gift you give yourself. Love is a light that surely glows in the hearts of those who know. It's a steady flame that grows. Oh, feel the love, the passion you can show. Love will surely play. This return can erase. Make believe love where it has to go. Just sweet. I hope it blows the feelings on you. Love will be the gift you give yourself.